Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming both SIM slots are active and show network bars. This ensures messages can route. Once that's checked, open Settings and go directly to SIM or Dual SIM settings. Make sure you understand that SMS can route independently from mobile data-dependent MMS, which matters when choosing SIM2. Now tap the Messaging or SIM Preferences entry so you can change the default for text messages. This is the actionable first step that switches future sends to SIM2. Once in SIM Preferences, set the default SMS SIM to SIM2 so new messages use that line by default. You're doing this to control billing and sender identity. Next, make sure mobile data is enabled on SIM2 if you expect to send MMS or group messages, because those need data. If you want exceptions, open your Contacts or Messages app and set per contact SIM overrides so specific people still use SIM1. This gives you nuanced control over routing and costs. Now send a test SMS and then an MMS to verify SIM2 is used for both text and media. Check the message details for sender info. If the change doesn't take effect, restart the phone to force settings to apply and then reopen SIM Preferences to confirm SIM2 remains selected. If you still have issues, clear the Messages app cache or power down and reset the SIM card. This reset often resolves registration and routing problems and is the key troubleshooting step to try first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.